ninjaX warrior person. And it's me, Fernand, the slime guy. And we're to the left right now. So let's do this the right way.
Ooh, an axe.
Run.
I got an axe off spawn. Oh no, they're killing me. Oh man, what the?
What the?
I'm gonna use a mutation pass. I'm gonna come back.
Alright.
Where is this guy? What?
What did he have?
I already had damage taken away from me. That's not right.
I know, but what did he have?
He had nothing. He's this guy over here. He's dead. He's mine.
Oh, I see him.
Help me, Fed. Hey, why'd you hit me?
That was an accident. Kill him, kill him.
Yeah!
Oh, baby.
I come back to life. That's what you get. You don't mess with me. Fed, I got you an axe.
Alright, good. Oh, stop.
That was,
what did he have?
that was perfect.
Yeah, that was good.
Alright, let's go. Now that I'm back alive.
Oh, I know something. Go in the truck.
This truck?
Yeah. I guess they already took it since it was open. Hey, you're top Aqua.
Yeah, because I come back to life and kill people. Do you got shears?
No.
Oh, man.
I see a chest up there. Do you see it? I see 2 chests from here.
Yeah, let's go up to the forest.
Let's get this one first. Come up here.
Wait, I'm going for the top one. You know the 2 chests?
There's 2?
Yeah, there's like a big one of those big boy chests.
Alright.
I'm going for a... Wait, Fed, are you dying? You killed somebody?
No. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Did you hear punching and stuff?
Yeah, I'm like, what's going on? What did he have?
He had nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I'm not top back no more. Let me kill
Where
you.
the heck are you?
Let me kill you.
No. Alright, where are you?
I'm on trees.
Oh, I see you.
It's up there. I see that beautiful chest.
Watch me, like, already looted.
It's so beautiful. It's a 2x2.
Oh, I see it.
Well, 2x1, I guess.
Yeah.
It's mine.
That would be awesome if it was 2x2. Somehow. I have 2 iron chest plates.
Ooh, diamond. Ooh, this chest was perfect.
How many?
It had cake.
Did any armor for me?
No, did you have any shears?
No. But I'm hungry. Can I have some food? Hey! You're hogging all that.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Well, eat nothing.
Give me food.
Hey, don't punch me.
I'm starving. Feed me.
I'll,
Feed me.
I'll eat you. Here. I needed food too.
Yeah, you eat that cooked fish, that vile creature.
Vile creature. But it's cooked.
What was that?
Do you got any shears?
No. Alright, what did you do last time?
With shears, I would grab grass. Look, come here.
Oh, I see a chest in the distance. Come over here. Turn around.
No, follow
Might
me.
be a good chest. No, what up? Where are you going? There's a chest up.
Where are you?
I'm up here. Up in the trees.
I was just up there.
I was telling you where I was at.
Hey, wait, no, follow
telling
me.
you.
I know a perfect place.
Let me just get this chest real quick. Doing some parkour.
I love these trees. They're like so fun to be in.
Yeah, so
Some guy killed me.
I already have this stuff. You know what it gave me?
What?
It gave me the same exact armor I already had.
Where'd you go?
Hey, there's a chest down there too.
Wait, follow me.
Okay.
If I remember where it is, we're gonna be good. Oh yeah, I found it. Just wait, no. It's like hidden.
What?
It's like some tunnel thing.
Oh.
Oh, I literally felt like.
Wait, let me get this chest in this ginormous tree.
All right. I'll try to find that thing.
Oh, just what I needed. Are you breaking stuff? Alright, good. I want the fresh axe. I have so many boots. You don't know how many boots I have.
I found it. I found it.
I almost fell off, please.
Follow me, Fed.
Coming up.
No one's been here.
That's great. It's beautiful. Are you sure it's safe?
Yeah.
What did it have?
Just fall in the water.
I'm scared.
Oh, I can't see nothing. Alright.
Did that chest have any armor for me?
No.
Did it have any hats?
Axe?
Hats.
It had chest plate.
What kind?
Leather.
I already have one.
Alright, then never mind. Follow the road. This thing lasts for a long time, so get ready.
Alright.
It goes like twists and turns.
Look for chests in the ground.
You do that. I can barely see.
You can't?
I don't know what's up with
Oh,
this.
chest.
Wait, look, I see lights in the distance. Fed, get the chest over there and come over here.
Oh, just what I need.
Oh, double
Look at
chest.
me. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh, come to
Look
the
at
light.
me.
Come to the light.
Just look at me.
Where are
Look.
you?
Choo choo. I mean,
What's over there?
there's a chest. Do you see me riding the boat?
Yeah, come over here. What do you need?
I need a hat. And that full lingerie.
You got full lingerie?
If I get a hat.
Aw. I don't have that, I'm sorry.
What did you get from that chest?
Good stuff.
Like what?
Like none of your business. I need arrows.
I don't got any.
Liar.
Don't.
I need a diamond.
What?
Ooh, look.
What?
There's a road.
Oh, there's a tier 2 chest. I know a secret. Follow me. Oh, they got it.
Huh?
They already got the secret.
Which one? In there?
Yeah.
They didn't get nothing.
Oh, what was in there?
Like cake.
Oh. I know, come over here. There's a tier 2 chest over here. You can't do this server.
Shh.
Come on. Quick,
Alright, I'm going.
let me check this.
Where's the secret you speak of? Oh, yeah, I know this.
I called it.
Oh, wait, open it. Someone took it already.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
No, open it. Maybe there's a chance.
Holy crap, dude, hurry up, let's go. I see a name in the two names. I'm scared.
Dude, I found full lingerie.
Give me a hat.
I told you it was worth it.
Oh, what's in it?
No
Give
diamond.
me some food for deathmatch.
Deathmatch is starting?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I'll put some cakes down.
No. For later.
Oh, eat the cake then.
I can't. Give me that one.
You gotta eat that cake. I'm leaving you forever. The fridge refilled.
Let's check these.
Get him.
Ah,
Wow. Get him, Fed. Where'd he go? Oh, I thought he lagged. My epic kill. Fed, watch the guy that's taking the chest.
kill him.
Oh, so much damage. It wasn't even funny. Get him, Fed.
Behind us.
Why? How can we not get them? Wow, I missed him. Fed, help.
Coming. Oh, two guys.
I gotta eat this cake.
Oh gosh, I'm about to die.
Is anybody chasing me?
There's people chasing me.
Oh, I just passed you. I think they're chasing me now. Someone died.
Oh good. Let's kill him.
Wait, I need food.
I know, but he's like getting stuff. Let's kill him.
Kill him, Fed.
I know, I'm trying to.
He's ours. Forget you. Oh my god, that was sad. Whoa, my axe. Where'd it go? Oh, there you go. I'm gonna cut him off. Oh my god, I was off by like an inch. Get him, Fed. Get him! Oh, he thinks he's all smart.
Yes, he does.
How did that not get him? I was like on him. Not no nasty way, but yeah.
Take it. Oh yeah! I need a stone sword or something.
Fed, help. He has so many snowballs. Whoa, I'm confused.
I know, me too.
Wait. Was there a diamond in those chests?
I don't think so.
Stop turning. How can we not get him? What the heck?
Oh, I missed. Oh! Oh! Help me! Help! Help, please!
Fed, don't die. How do you die, Fed? Come on.
I love how. Didn't you see him? He was like killing me like crazy.
You're like the worst fighter ever. Come on, I can't get him. He's a good sprinter. I don't got arrows neither.
Kill him.
I can't. I have to eat. What are people saying in the crowds? Where'd he go?
We're asking each other how old they are.
Fed, where is he? Oh my god. Oh, I'm dizzy. He pelted me with like 6 dozen eggs. Oh, no one won. Oh my god.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this episode of Hunger Games. And
Even
please
though nobody
like and
won.
check out that guy's thing.
Yeah. That sucked.
Yeah, terribly.
Bye.